Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to create exercise 17 in AutoCAD step by step. This is a simple yet effective exercise to practice your skill in creating hexagons, circles and using polar array. Whether you are a beginner or a student and just starting out with AutoCAD, this tutorial is perfect for you. So let's get started. Step 1. Setting up the drawing environment. So first you open your AutoCAD and set the unit to millimeters. To do this, type UN, press enter and choose a millimeter from the drop down menu. Make sure the precision is set 0.00. Now press OK. Step 2. Create the center lines. As you see in this picture, here is the center line. First one is a vertical and second one is a horizontal. Now draw the two perpendicular center line for reference. Use line command L enter. So click a line, just press for example 80. And now same RO for rotate, midpoint C for copy. Now select both line, go to properties, select a center line. Choose a color as a red. Now step 3. Add the outer circle. As you see in this picture, there is a outer circle, this one. So we need to add these circles. Now draw the outer circle that will be used to position the smaller arc. Type C for circle. Press on this center point. From here, put a value as a 20.7. Now step 4. Draw the hexagon. As you see this image, this one is a hexagon. We need to draw. So we'll create the hexagon. Type POL for polygon. Press enter. Specify numbers of side as a 6. Enter. Click on center point where the center line intersect and choose the option as a inscribed circle. Enter the radius as 16. Press enter. Select this polygon. RO for rotate. Click on the center point as per image. Click on downside. Otherwise press 90 as a angle. Step 5. Creating the small arc. We will now create one of the smaller arc. As you see in this image, we are going to create this part. Type C for circle and select a point, the outer circle, set as a radius 4.6. So click here 4.6. Now to create the hollow part, draw another circle with a radius 2.5. So C for circle 2.5. As per image, if you see very carefully, this part trimmed and here from quadrant to end of this hexagon align. So first we need to trim. TR enter. T for trim. Select this outer circle, enter and click this circle. Now L for line. Click on this quadrant point to end point. Again same as L for line. Click on quadrant point to end point. Now we need to trim some extra parts. So TR enter. T for trim. Click on this circle, press enter. Trim this one. As same as TR enter. T for cutting edge. Select this hexagon, press enter. Trim this extra line. As same as for inner part, T for trim edge. Select this one, press enter on. Trim this inner circle. Now step 6. Use polar array command. Here where the magics happen, select both circles, line, small arc. Type array, ARRAY, array. Choose a polar array command. Click on circle center point very carefully and set the number of items to 6. This will eventually distribute the arc around the hexagon. And close array. Now step 7. Final touch. Clean up your drawing by erasing unnecessary center lines, reference line, and make sure everything looks neat and match the dimension in the PDF. So need to trim. So TR, enter. T for cutting edge. Select these outer circles. Press enter. Click on inner extra circles. You select your drawing. Go to properties. Add line thickness. We are going to add 0.30. Now the last one, add dimension. Finally add dimension to your drawing. For clearly, use dimension command to specify the size of hexagon, outer circles and arc as shown as the reference image. So congratulations, you have successfully completed exercise 17 in AutoCAD. So don't forget to download the PDF file, link in the description, to practice further. If you found this tutorial helpful, like this video, share with your friend and subscribe to the channel more such tutorials. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Keep designing, keep learning. Tata, bye bye, take care.